What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the HP DesignJet T1600 Postscript Inkjet large format printer. This 36-inch print with color beast is not just any printer. It's a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality, large format prints with incredible speed and security. As we dive into the features of this incredible device, I want you to imagine how it can revolutionize your workflow, whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer. Let's start with productivity. We all know how crucial it is to keep our teams working efficiently, and that's exactly what the HP DesignJet T1600 offers. Its compact and quiet design makes it perfect for any office environment, and the radically simple solutions it provides ensure that you get the right results every time. With the easiest PDF printing available, you can just send your files to the printer and let it do its magic. But that's not all. The HP Smart app allows you to print and share jobs directly from your mobile devices, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Imagine being able to send a print job to your office printer from a client meeting or a coffee shop and having it ready for you when you get back. That's the kind of flexibility and convenience that can take your productivity to the next level. Now, let's talk about progress. When you're working on a project, every stage is crucial, and meeting deadlines is essential. The HP DesignJet T1600 has got you covered with its incredibly fast print speed and integrated automatic print stacking. This means you can print large quantities of documents quickly and efficiently, without having to worry about manually stacking them. But what really sets this printer apart is its ability to display the finest details, from lines to bold colors, thanks to the unique Adobe PDF Print Engine. Whether you're printing architectural drawings, engineering schematics, or graphic designs, you can trust that the HP DesignJet T1600 will produce high-quality prints that will impress your clients and colleagues. And with the ability to print up to 36-inch wide, you can create stunning large-format prints that will make your work stand out. But what about security? We all know that confidential documents need to be protected, and that's why the HP DesignJet T1600 is the world's most secure large-format printer. With the best network protection available, you can rest assured that your printer and your documents are safe from unauthorized access. You have complete control over who can access the printer and your confidential documents, giving you peace of mind and protecting your business from potential security threats. And with the ability to manage your fleet of printers remotely, you can ensure that your entire network is secure at all times. Whether you're working in a small office or a large enterprise, security is paramount, and the HP DesignJet T1600 has got you covered. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T1600 Postscript Inkjet large format printer is an absolute powerhouse that can revolutionize your workflow. With its compact and quiet design, radically simple solutions, and incredibly fast print speed, it's the perfect addition to any office. And with its world-class security features, you can trust that your confidential documents are protected. If you're looking to take your productivity and print quality to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T1600. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible printer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your work and take your business to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.